I love seeing how much extra travel she has. On the road, you don't even imagine that it's gonna have this much travel. But I guess all cars.
Those things have a crazy amount of travel.
Yeah, I saw. You can even tell, you know, without the wheel on, where the disc brake hangs very low compared to the arch.
This car has front and rear lift.
That's crazy.
You can lift it. The whole car lifts up, not just, you know, like Lambos and stuff, it's just the front.
Yeah, I thought this was just the front too.
And that's all four.
Wow.
So the 12C and the 650S, it's all four.
You know, I used the lift system in this car. I never noticed that it goes up from the rear. I would always think it's only the front.
Yeah, it's even.
Maybe, wow, I didn't know that.
For the new ones, it's only the front.
Fab Speed exhaust?
Yes, I believe so.
Very nice. I just paid attention.
And downpipes.
Dude, they look way better than the stock tip. I hate the stock tip. This is so nice.
Yeah.
No check engine stuff, and he's good? It's tuned. Oh, okay, so it's fine. Straight pipe titanium. Amazing. An amazing exhaust system. So light. Uh-oh. 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 The oil color doesn't look too bad, right?
No, it looks really good.
Yeah, it looks
See
good.
it with the light shining through?
Yeah.
Looks perfect.
Looks pretty golden too.
How many miles ago did we change it?
Dude, like 1,000.
1,000?
1,000 miles ago. Less, maybe.
I know you take care of it. So.
Yeah. Crazy.
Must be like a little engine flush.
Yeah. As long as we get those sealants nice in the front and rear pan.
Oh yeah, no worries on that.
Yeah. I actually like the fact that they're not just like a rubber seal. You actually have to, it's like a silicone. You have to apply it on there, and then you got to put it within minutes because they dry fast.
Yep, it's I think it's 10-minute work time. So
Wow.
I actually took a class at Mercedes just on sealant application when I was there, because most people put way too much on.
Yeah. That's cool that you did that. The minute you see smoke is when you know you got it, or kind of. Is it like Loctite?
If we see smoke, it's probably not good.
Okay. So.
But yeah, it's like Loctite. You just gotta kind of heat it up to get it.
Yeah, wow. It's crazy, man.
Oh yeah, it's starting.
Fuck me.
Almost there.
Hello. Dude, I was gonna bring my funnel. I don't know why I didn't do that.
Okay, this looks fun.
Because that funnel just locks in here and you forget about it.
Yeah.
So I wanted to get it.
No worries.
The reason I got the OW40 is because the Mercedes-Benz Mobile One is exactly the same as this.
Mm-hmm.
It's OW. But I was reading online, a lot of people use 5W40.
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm just like, I'll go with the recommended, like Mercedes-Benz one.
Right. Yeah, that's definitely. You know.